Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I am back with another video. So you guys have been requesting the makeup look from the thumbnail and the slay from my baby hairs video with the faux locks. The baby hairs video for faux locks. So you guys been asking me in the comments for this makeup look. Don't you hate when you just do a fire eye makeup look and then your eyes be watering when you want to show it off? Anyway, y'all, I don't know where I left off, but today's video is a makeup look on that makeup look that you guys requested. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
Alright guys, so we are back with a voiceover. This is the look we are doing today. I'm starting off with my Huda Beauty concealer, and I will list the shade on the screen, but I'm using this concealer to prime the lid, and I'm just using a concealer brush from Morphe, and we're just blending this out. And you just want to do this so your color comes out more prominent when you're using your eyeshadows. I'm further blending that into the brow bone with a buffer brush from Morphe as well. Next, we're taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I know we're just gonna disregard Jaclyn right now, but I'm using this brown shade as a transition shade. This palette is actually pretty good, and it's from Morphe, her original collaboration with Morphe, and I'm using this brown shade as a transition color. It is a very good transition shade because it's not super dark, so you can like blend this all the way above and in the crease and blend it all the way across to get a nice subtle transition shade. Now we're going in with this deeper brown. We're adding it in the crease, and here I'm just like packing it on, and you'll see throughout the video how I blend this out to get a nice gradient. But right now we're just packing this on in the lid, so it may look a little messy at the beginning, but I promise it is going to come together. Now here we're taking one of the darker browns, and we're just putting this in our outer V. So I'm just deepening up the outer edge of the eye, kind of in a winging style motion, and I'm just doing this on the outer corner to deepen up this, and then I drag it just a little bit in the crease, and you'll see how this looks when we apply the glitter. And then here we're just blending that all together with a shader brush, and this is how you kind of blend all the shadows together and make it look like a smooth gradient. The key is to keep blending until you are satisfied with your shadow and how it blends. So right now we're looking pretty good. You want to compare it to your first eye. Next, I'm going in with Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. This highlighter is bomb for makeup looks. You can do this look and just stop with the Trophy Wife highlighter. You'll see later on that I do add some glitter just to spice this up a little bit, because I did wear this makeup look to a formal event, and I love doing glitter cut creases, glitter eyeshadow looks. And here I'm just blending in the edge of the Trophy Wife with the brown. So now you can kind of see where we're going with this. So here I'm using a gold loose glitter, and I got this from the hair store, and I love to use the Duo Lash Glue as an adhesive. And you'll see I'm just putting my brush in this, and then we're kind of carving out the crease. And I'm going a little bit higher because you can see where my eye is hooded. The Trophy Wife has transferred already just a little bit, so we're going a little bit higher with the lash glue. And I know you might be like, well, that completely defeats the purpose of you applying Trophy Wife, but it actually helps out because you have that nice blend on the edge, which you can't really blend as smoothly when you're applying glitter. So once you carve out your little cut crease area with the lash glue, you don't want to let this dry, because once it dries, you won't be able to get the glitter to adhere to it. And I'm just using that same brush to apply the glitter. Anytime you apply loose glitter, you will have like fallout and glitter kind of falling all over your face. So you want to make sure, like, as soon as you're done applying it to the lid or to your makeup, wherever you're putting it on your face, you want to go ahead and dust off that loose glitter. Now, in addition to doing this, I use a clean brush and I dust off the glitter off the top where I placed the glitter on my lid, because any loose glitter pieces that are not adhered to that lash glue will come off with this brush, and so it kind of gives you a cleaner look. Next, we're not leaving out the lower lash line, we're just blending out those browns underneath very lightly to kind of smoke it out and match the upper part of the lid. And then we're also using Duo Lash Glue. This is in the shade Black, to apply our lashes, because this just takes out the eyeliner step with the black lash glue. So that's why I like using black lash glue whenever I'm doing like a dramatic eye look. And I'm just applying this on my lash line. And when you do it this way, your lash glue, you don't have to wait for it to dry. You can just apply your lashes to it. So now we're going in with NIRVANA Beauty lashes, and this is in the style Baddie, and these are by far one of my favorite pairs of their lashes. They are really good and you can wear them multiple times. So I've been wearing this lash for a good minute, and it just pulled this look together and took it to the next level. Now for highlighter, we're using the BHCOSMETICS. It's my Reshae palette, and I'm just using all three of the highlighters and kind of mixing them together, because for this look we were going bold, dramatic, glowy, glittery, and I wanted my highlighter to pop just as much as the glitter on my lid. So not only am I highlighting my brow bone, but I'm going in and highlighting the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, the stuff that I usually highlight. And you can always blend out your nose highlight with your finger if you think it's off-centered, or if you accidentally put too much, too little. You can always blend that out by using your finger or by using a clean brush. Here we are also highlighting the cheekbones, and y'all, I'm telling you, this palette, not only is it affordable, but the color payoff is crazy. So next, for the inner corner highlight, I am using Trophy Wife to just brighten up the inner corner, and you guys, this took this look to an even higher level. Last but not least, we are doing the lips, and I'm lining them with a brown lip liner from Nicka K, just a random hair store brown lip liner. We're going to jump back and do the lower lashes with this IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I suck at doing bottom lash mascara, but it turned out pretty good today. Now this is the last step. We're using NIRVANA Beauty. This is their liquid lip in the shade Nudie. And I do apologize that I applied this out of frame, but y'all, this lip color went so bomb with this makeup look. Y'all let me know if y'all feeling it. Before I'm done with this voiceover, if y'all not following me on Instagram, shameless plug, go follow your girl. I think we can get this video to 200 likes. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Gym Squad, y'all lit.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I know every time I do a glitter kind of smoky eye or glitter cut crease, it's literally like the same thing. But I love these because they're so stunning. Like, they're so stunning. I keep looking at myself in the mirror and the viewfinder because it looks good, okay? But yes, I am digging it. I'm here for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You could have done a variety of different things. This was just how I did it. The Trophy Wife Kilowatt Highlighter is bomb for eyeshadow. I also used it mixing in my highlighter in addition to the It's My Reshae highlighters. These highlighters in this palette, y'all, are, if you want to be beaming, if you want to walk through the door, boom, seen, boom, shining, boom, skin like pearls, get you this palette. You can get it at Ulta. And it's not crazy expensive. This palette actually has all the essentials that you need. You have eyeshadows to make a nice neutral look, a smoky look, and you can add these shimmers for a nice, you know, popping look. You can create any look with this palette. You also have your contour shades down below as well as your highlight shades. So if you want to buy a palette, this is the one you need to get. The glitter I got from the hair store. I will find it on Amazon and link it for you guys. But you could do any, I mean, I'm not no makeup artist and I'm not a doctor. However, I'm not a doctor. However, I've used craft glitter before for eyeshadow looks like this, and it's not harmful for you to use. So if you go to like the craft store and you find like some glitter, I found glitter, I've used glitter from like the dollar store before because they have a variety of colors. So if you want to do this makeup look with like a different color glitter that you can't find in like a beauty supply, a makeup store or whatever, just look in your craft store or something like that. You could definitely find some. But yes guys, that's all for this makeup look. The lashes, people have been asking me about these lashes, and y'all, they're NIRVANA Beauty. Sis gave me the key to a makeup look. These lashes are so bomb. I have so many different pairs. Like, you will be seeing more of these lashes. I've been wearing these like the past couple of weeks. Like past 2 weeks, I've been wearing these because these just give me life. I feel like a baddie, hence the name. And yeah, let's see, what else? Oh, the lip color. It is nudie, and I think it's supposed to be like a matte lipstick, but with the lip liner that I have on, it kind of gives me like a satiny finish, and I'm here for it with a glittery eye, like a matte satin finish lip with a glittery eye. Baby girl, it's a wrap, it's a look. Be some old time. Y'all, I'm about to take some fire pics. Y'all ain't noticed my hair is straight. Ouch. I put it in a little half up, half down style. Y'all can't even see it because I'm so zoomed in. Do a little half up, half down style because I needed it out my face. But y'all let me know what you think. I'm gonna start looking, you know, at myself like, girl, you're cute. And I'm gonna do the outro. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below, because if you've watched this far, you might as well subscribe. Like, come on, what are you doing? you're sitting there, you're still watching, subscribe. But yeah, y'all subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you head over to Instagram and follow me at Reshae. And yeah, stay tuned, y'all. I have a lot of things planned and I'm super excited. One being the launch of something Reshae. So if you guys, you know, want to stay tuned and in the loop, I spill a little bit of the tea on Instagram, on my Insta story, so make sure you are following me on Instagram. And that's all for this video. I love y'all so much. I can't say it enough, and I appreciate you. I appreciate all of y'all, you know, commenting, subscribing, liking my videos. Like, it means so much. Y'all don't know the half. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. I'm sorry for smacking. I usually smack when my makeup beat, but don't tell nobody. And yeah, guys, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, tenfold. Bye, guys.